Hey guys, this is a tour of my camper so far. This is going in the back of my 2021 Tacoma. This is 5 feet long and 6 feet wide roughly, with a standing height of around 54 inches. It's mostly 2x3 construction and 11 30-seconds plywood to keep the weight down. And I'll be doing some RV windows. One right over here. A large one towards the back window of the truck that goes to the cab. One on this side over here. And then on the right side, this is going to be the door. It's going to be a Dutch door with a glass up top with a screen. There'll be a roof vent on the top. On the left here is going to be a cassette toilet, a Thetford. The back right is going to be a Dometic refrigerator-freezer combination. Should end up being just around this height. On the back here, there's going to be a bed that goes across 6 feet wide. It's going to be a fold-down bed, so it folds up. There'll be a lagoon-style table here in the center. It pivots probably off of over here. And then I'll be running some, that back corner is going to be where the batteries are and the inverter. And then I'm still trying to figure out the rest of this. So I'm going to need to have some water tank storage, nothing crazy, and a couple other things. So I figured I'd just share my build that I'm working on. I'm going to be taking this thing on a cross-country road trip. So today I'm building the back door. I'll be building that, putting on the rest of the plywood, and then I'm going to start doing I was going to do poor man's fiberglass with the wood glue and the canvas. One of my friends actually suggested that I use resin with the canvas cloth. So I'm going to try that on a small sample spot and see how that does. But I figured I'd just share. I'm trying to build this lightweight. I will get an actual weight when it's all said and done. I also wanted this to be removed in and out of my pickup truck pretty easy because I do a lot of work with my truck during the week. So to take off on a Friday, I want to be able to come home, load this up, and then go on my trip, and then come back and unload it without too much trouble. So right now, I can actually lift up, I can basically angle this up onto the bed, and then I can slide it in all by myself. It is a challenge, but if I have someone else with me, it makes life a lot easier. So I figured I'd just show this, and I'll show you what I get along for work on this later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.